Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Enthusiasm. Where did it go?
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti, Sinae, and I am back with another video. And today, you know what I'm saying, I'm just trying a new little technique, you know. I'm just trying something different. I did a different foundation routine today, and it's like a different technique that I've been seeing like going around lately, and I just wanted to try it for myself to see how I would like it, you know what I'm saying. And your girl is snatched now. She's very much so snatched. So this is just me trying a new foundation routine and seeing, you know, how it goes for me in the process and all of that and the steps, honey. Okay. So yes, if you're interested in today's video, just keep on watching. All right. So I'm gonna be doing things a bit different because I've been seeing people, like so many influencers and beauty gurus that I follow, do their makeup in a different way. And now, you know, now a lot of people are contouring and putting on concealer and things before they do their foundation. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of it, but you know what I'm saying, we're not about to be going by the book, you know. I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna, which honestly I'm scared already, honey, but I mean, I guess it's ultimately the same thing, it's a different order. So, but I have not contoured in a minute. This is gonna be a new, well, not new, but just, oh shoot, let's get it right first, you know. Okay, y'all know I like to take my contour like up into the brown. So, you know what I'm saying? I want to do it all out. So I'm gonna also go like right over around my lip. At this point, I'm a joke. So this is the NYX number 25 brush. I don't know if I'm supposed to automatically go into concealer or what. Like, am I supposed to do concealer with this as well? Or do I blend it out and then do concealer? Or was I supposed to do concealer before I contoured? I mean, who knows? It'll all be a-okay, because I'm really not, I'm taking it serious, but not really, honey. One thing about these matchsticks are they're gonna get the job done. Like, they blend out perfectly. Like, wow. I hope this turned out right. I can only hope. I'm taking my MAC 270 brush to blend out the contour on my nose. You know what I'm saying? I have not contoured my nose in forever. Oh my goodness. Like, this is so crazy right now. Wow. I'm already looking different. I see it. Dead serious, I'm already looking different. Wow. Pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my crayon case concealer. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I couldn't decide. Actually, I'm not, just because the simple fact that I ain't got no napkins over here, honestly. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out. This is the number 13. I think I was supposed to contour after this. Honestly, people, I've seen them do it in any order, so it really don't even matter, honestly. Using my Morphe E8 brush. You know what I'm saying? I'm just interested to see if there's a difference between contouring beforehand or contouring, you know, after you do your foundation. Like, is there a real difference? Granted, I forgot how I look when I contour after foundation, because it's been so long since I've like actually contoured, you know. So okay, now What I'm gonna do is go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. This is the number 6. I used to use this under my brows, but now I use my crayon case. I'm just gonna go in with the cream because I feel like, you know, creams lay better when you use them under your foundation. Like when I blend this out, I don't need it to look like I completely botched my nose here. And I'm just going to do a little line right down the mid-jaw. I don't know what accent that was. Honestly, I am going to use that same Morphe brush. I did something different with my brows. I don't know if y'all could tell. You know, I just plugged them today just to clean them up a little bit, and then I did a new method. I don't know if y'all could tell, but they look lighter and they look more natural. You know, for my under eye, I'm taking this Morphe brush from my from the Rose Gold collection, which every time I use these brushes, I have to say these brushes have no name. It's it's giving sad. That's what it's giving. It's giving toe up. I'm gonna go ahead with my NYX Born to Glow foundation. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm tripping myself out. Like you ever laughed at yourself? Going in with my NYX number 30 brush. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna, yeah, pat this sucker in. Not sure if there's a specific way to do this, but I'm not worried about it. I didn't use that much foundation. I made my top lip look fatter than life itself. Oh well, I'm not complaining about a fat lip. I'll be grateful. I have fat lips anyway. Well, they're not fat, they're just full and they're round. I'm not sure how I'm feeling so far. Have you ever just been unsure of it all? That's me. It's this guy. It's literally the top lip. I'm not complaining though. If you think I'm gonna complain, listen, I'm not complaining. Okay, gonna set only the areas I concealed. I'm gonna set with my Beauty Bakery Flow Powder. What is this accent? And I'm going to, yeah, set right there. I love this powder so much. Speaking of Beauty Bakery, they did repost your girl. They reposted your girl's photo, honey. I was so excited. Oh my goodness. I was so excited because I love Beauty Bakery. I love them. And you know, black owned. Hello. And they are doing phenomenal. They make phenomenal products. They reposted your girl, you know. Because they did not have to. In what world would I not bake? I'm going to set the rest of my face with my NYX No Filter powder. You know what I'm saying? This is in the shade Deep Golden. I'm loving my skin. Yes, yes, yes. I love it all, okay? Like, look at me liking it. Look at me liking it, okay? I didn't think I was going to like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my KKW Beauty Contour Kit because I'm going to bronze and do a little bit of contouring as well using the powders. So I'm using these two. And first I'm going to go on with this one because I'm going to use this shade for my nose. Instagram just made it harder for us creators because the algorithm sucks now. They're just making it a priority for us to see their ads and all these suggested posts and pages and promos and stuff. It's a lot of stuff showing up on my newsfeed that I don't care to see, that I don't want to see. You know what I'm saying? And it's really annoying because I really thought that's what the explore page was for when it comes to seeing other people. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. But the ads, like, there wasn't no way to find a balance. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know, I understand that's how Instagram, you know, it makes its money for the most part. So it's just like there wasn't no balance between the two. We couldn't do like an even kill type of thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, there wasn't no way to do that. for us smaller creators, it's like, it was like, dang, like that was a setback. But I'm not going to complain, and I'm not going to put anything negative out in the atmosphere. I was just like, I just don't understand, like, how can we not like make that better? Like, how can we not find the balance to where everyone is happy? So if there are any smaller influencers discouraged, don't be. Just take it as a setback for a major comeback. You dig? The nose is snatched, honey. Who did? I think Jackiana be contouring right here. Like, I be seeing her put some right here. At this point, I'm just playing. Ooh, I see why. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah, dude. So I'm going to take my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder. I'm going to go into my yellow one. And I'm just going to do what I always do with this. Like this. There's nothing new here. I'm just going to do some liner and some lashes. And then I'm going to come back for lips. You know what I'm saying? Because, okay, this. Like all of this going on over here. Got to go. But yeah, I'm going to do all of this. And do what I got to do. And come right back on for you guys, okay? I don't like these lashes. They're doing too much. But at this point, we just gonna go into lips. And for lips, I'm taking Pitch from ColourPop to Line With. And then I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. This right here is the finished look. Like, this is how it all came out. Like, trying this new technique, I like it, but to me, I don't know if there's a real difference. And I don't know if it's meant to have a difference or if it's meant to look different. I'm not sure. The only thing I will say is I do understand why you would want to put all those products under your foundation instead of on top of it. Like, I think it's very good to build and then apply your foundation. I like that more. For some of you who find that more products can move your foundation or make it patchy or anything like that, then maybe that could be this can be a technique for you. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and also subscribe to my channel and then turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.